Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to remove the side skirts on the W209 CRK. At the same time I'll be upgrading my side skirts to the AMG kit instead of the standard ones. So these are the tools required. We need a 10mm socket and 8mm socket, and then kits to remove the clips beneath the side skirts, a flathead screwdriver to loosen up some of the clips so you could easily remove it, and then one of the clips remover so when we come to take the panel by the door. So this panel is held by two clips, one located around this area . So these are some of the clips held within these holes, and then there's another clip on this end that is similar to this one, which goes into this little seal. Branch, there is one bolt here, or it's more like a plastic bolt that's holding the underguy. So there is about 8 clips beneath the car that is holding. So there's one there, one straight after, and a few more as you go toward the car to the front. So what we're going to need to do is grab our little tool here. It should be able to squeeze between. If not, flathead screwdriver could literally just be used to loosen this little bit so we're able to fit our tool there and pull it right out like so, and then if you carry out the same process to the rest. So now that all the clips have been removed and the under trims panels have been loosened, we can go about with removing the side skirts. There is about 3 clips in this area that we need to pieces off, we'll go about and fit the new one, which is exactly the same process. So we've got the 4 clips in this area. Down again and fit all of the clips at the bottom, and it'll be done. So I'm gonna skip through that process since I've already shown how to take off. It's exactly the same process of fitting them back on, and then I'll show you before